Whenever I'm structuring an acquisition for a client in any type of business, I always preface the conversation with, we need to do things this way because it's not if you get sued, it's when you get sued. It's just part of building it into your underwriting of your risk and so on and so forth. One of the things post-closing, though, that has come in handy for a lot of our clients is doing a wage and hour type audit before a lawsuit. What are your thoughts on that?
So again, it's you don't know what you don't know, right? Someone who's doing well in business is not there day to day, right? You have a general manager, you have a project manager, a site manager, and you have policies and procedures when you start the business and you expect them to be followed. But then you get caught up in so many other things, the next business, you have a baby, life, whatever the issues come up. And before you know it, 3 years have passed, and it turns out that that general manager was not taking a proper tip credit, was sharing the tips with the wrong employees, was having them do things that are non-tipped related, and you get sued, right? Could you have avoided that? You have a policy and procedure, but you have to check in on it. Like any other policy and procedure, it needs to be monitored and followed. So scheduling semi-annual, quarterly, at the worst case scenario, annual internal audits that just us, your attorneys, and you and your bookkeeper, accountant, your general manager evaluate what's really happening here, right? And are we following the law? Has the law changed? Have we updated our policies accordingly, right? That's what the value is, and then that gives us time to mitigate it. If you find out 3 years later, well, that's 3 years of liability. If you did an internal audit 6 months in, it's just 6 months of liability, right? So,
And again, you can't silo, you can't cordon off risk and liability, but you can take proactive measures to mitigate it, and that's what we're trying to stress here. There are certain steps that you can take on a day-in or quarterly basis, and we do encourage all of our clients, both current and prospective, to reach out to us and learn about them. We're here for you.